The nature of sandblasting is destructive. You will eventually need to replace your sandblaster's nozzle tips. Sometimes you'll notice a performance issue with your blaster, and sometimes you'll be able to see the problem with your eyes. If you can see that your blaster tips are worn out, it's time to replace them. Here's how to do it. Unscrew the cap from the handpiece. Take out the old tip and O-ring. Take this time to inspect the handpiece and tubing to see if there are any worn out spots or holes. The black tube should be perfectly flush with the white handpiece insert. The O-ring needs to sit against this for a completely sealed system. If it looks good, let's get that new tip installed. Hold the nozzle cap upside down and drop the new tip in, letting gravity set it in place. Then drop the new O-ring in on top, again letting gravity set it in place. You'll need to make sure it's flat against the back of the tip. You may need to shake it a little so it falls flat. Keep the cap upside down and point the handpiece down to match it. Screw the cap back into place, making sure it's not cross-threaded and that they sit close and evenly together. And that's it! Your new tip is ready to go. If you have any questions, you can contact Vaniman at service@vaniman.com or by phone at 760-723-1498.